Welcome to Barrie. After a big snow squall came through, and it looks like there's still more flurries coming down. We're just going to drive through the downtown area. We'll see what happens. See how their snow clearing is going. If you're looking for car parts, you can get hold of Acura of Barrie. The phone number is up the top. Now this road takes me all the way down to the waterfront. Looks like it's a little bit of a winter wonderland. This is New Year's Eve day. And this is what Barrie is getting. Yesterday, apparently, it got slammed. And this is the remnants the next day. Yeah, that big dark area ahead, that's the water. Snowplows haven't even come by. Wow. This is a kind of a Tim Hortons kind of day. Yeah, it'd be good for skiers up at Blue Mountain if they got a bunch of snow. Horseshoe Valley probably got a bunch of snow. This is what Barrie got. Yeah, out on the water, it looks like it's just coming down. Well, you got a runner out today. There you go, that's dedication. Good on you. I'll be going a little later, once I finish my work duties. Gotta check out a number of my properties. Let's see how they fared. Drop off some New Year's gifts. Yeah, it's a little bit, it's a little bit of a, okay, a little bit of a venture. Let me just finish that sentence. This reminds me of going skiing up in Quebec Mount Tremblant, and a number of their villages that are around that area. And every time that I went, it was always snowing. And it was cold. The roads looked like this all the time. And what was really cool though was the pubs, the bars, the restaurants. They were always busy. The heat was always on. It was a lively place with the fireplaces, and it just, the atmosphere just felt so right. It was just really cool. So that's what this kind of reminds me of. I mean, obviously I'm not in a restaurant or anything, but just the outside. Looks like a snowplow just went down the street. Go by the bus station. Welcome to downtown Barrie. There goes that snowplow that I was just talking about. I'm just waiting for a snowmobile to go down the main street. That would be just so perfect. Well, I'm not going that way. I'm going... Yeah, that's a lot of snow that came down. Some of the back roads are side. Should say side streets. I'm not in the country anymore. I wonder what the side streets are like. don't stop. So many times people just stop and then they can't get going again. So if you can do what you can to keep moving, don't stop, don't slow down, like keep on going. Obviously if you get behind a car, you're gonna have to stop, but oh, some of these roads you don't want to be going down. Wow, that's a lot of snow, folks. It's a lot of snow. Wow. I don't know if it's white, if it's light. There you go. This. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is heavy snow. Heavy, fluffy. Is heavy and fluffy even the type of snow that you're dealing with? Or I don't know. All I know is it's snowing. Ooh, baby, look at this. Darn. Amazing how you go from one area to another and the weather can be so different. Whatever you do, folks, just keep on going, don't stop. Oh my gosh, snow squall. Good thing it's not windy, otherwise it would be absolutely brutal. Okay, please don't stop. It's just still snowing. Like, I wonder if it's gonna stop. I mean, really, at what point do you just like throw your hands up and It just seems like it's getting heavier and heavier. Well, I guess this answered my question about what are the side streets like. This was that was a speed bump. You couldn't even feel it because of all the snow. Here's another speed bump. It literally just felt like snow. Oh my gosh. Well, I think I'm going to leave you here, folks. Holy crap. Until the next one, get out and explore.